Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Vakas and you're watching Restore Hub. In this video, I will show you how you can hard reset your locked iPhone without passcode, without computer, without knowing any Apple ID. As you can see right now, this iPhone locked with passcode, and in this video I will show you how you can unlock, how you can restore it without computer. So let's start video without wasting any time. Before moving to the videos, please watch this video till end, otherwise you can't do this, and make sure you are doing this on your own iPhone. So let's start video without wasting any time. First of all, you need to enter any random passcode. Right now you can see a person screen, it's not accepting any random passcode. So what you do, just tap on cancel. Okay, now tap on this icon control center and make sure your iPhone connected with any Wi-Fi or cellular data when you try to do this. Okay, now you need to tap on emergency. Okay, and dial star #06#. Okay, and tap on dial button. You can see right now it's showing its IME number and other detail. Okay, so make sure you are do this process. After that you need to cancel that again, and press volume up button and press volume down button at the same time, and press the power button. Okay, you can see right now it's showing a emergency section. Right now just tap on cancel. Okay, after that you need to tap on emergency again and dial here star #069693 star 0000 star 223300 69693 . Okay, make sure you are also dial this kind of digit that I'm using right now in this video. After that you need to press again star #0707 #0707 and press on dial button. Okay, you can see it's showing error performing request. Just tap on dismiss, tap on cancel again, press volume up button, press volume down button and press the power button until you see this option. Okay, you can see right now it's also showing right now slide to power off and emergency. Just tap on cancel again. Okay, tap on emergency section again and dial here star #069693 star 0808 star 234500 . Okay, you can see right now just press the dial button. Okay, and press and hold. Okay, it will take some time. Press the dial button 5 to 10 seconds. Sometime it will take 30 to 50 seconds. Don't release it. Okay, after that you need to cancel it. Okay, cancel again and wait for a few seconds. Okay, after that you need to press the power button and wait for a few minutes. Okay, After that you need to swipe up. Okay, tap on cancel, tap on swipe up again, tap on emergency and dial here star hash 06 hash star 0000 hash star 36369 hash and press the dial button again. You can see iPhone erased successfully right now and hard reset.